Hello and welcome to the 2015-2016 season of APS Chats. My name's Josh McLaughlin. APS Chats are the countywide Twitter chats for Arlington Public Schools, and they provide a platform for collaboration and knowledge sharing in our county. Okay, so to participate in an APS chat, the first thing you need is a Twitter account. The best way to get one is to go to twitter.com, click on the sign up button, and creating your account is as easy as giving your full name, your phone or email address, creating a password, and then choosing a username. Once you hit the blue button to sign up, you'll have your account, and then you're ready to go to our new APS Chats website. Okay, here's the front page of our new website, 37 schools, one conversation. Some things you should know about our site. If you click on this button here, you can sign up to receive text message reminders about upcoming APS chats, just one reminder per chat. Over here, you can sign up for the Superintendent's Book Club. You can see a calendar of other educational Twitter chats you might be interested in joining. You can also give us feedback on the overall APS Chats experience. Once I upload this video, you can also find the guide to participating in a chat over here as well. Here you can suggest a topic or questions for an upcoming chat, or you can volunteer to moderate or co-moderate a chat. And here you can see all of the authors and thought leaders who will be joining us as guest moderators during the 2015-2016 season. Okay, but we're ready to participate in a chat. We have our account, and if you go down here, you can see that our next chat is going to be on Tuesday, the 1st of September 2015 from 8 to 9 p.m. All right, so what do I do if I want to participate? Well, at about 7:45 on the 1st, you come here to this site, you come to the 2015-16 season, you scroll down to the chat that's happening that day, and then you hit this button, enter the chat, which will take you to our NERF channel where we host our APS chats. Down at the bottom in blue, it'll ask you to log in to NERF to use it. You'll want to do that so we know who's sending the tweets inside the chat. Hit the green button to log in. It's going to ask you for your handle. Mine's popping up here automatically. And then also your password. Alright, so that'll take a moment, and then it'll redirect me back to NERF. So here I am within the room. Okay, so at 8 o'clock on the day of the chat, the moderator will greet everyone, and there'll be some introductions. And then about 5 or 6 minutes in, the moderator will send the first question. And the way they'll do that is they'll write Q1, and then they will pose the first question of the chat. Here's just a sample. How is your day? Question mark. Okay, so it goes out into the chat room, and now it's up to everyone who's participating to respond. And the way you do that is the nomenclature is A for answer, 1 for question 1, and then you respond. Fantastic. Okay, the nice thing about using APS Chats is that it automatically generates the APS Chats hashtag for you. So when I hit enter, you'll see it just adds it, so I don't have to remember to add that as I'm chatting with everybody. Another nice time-saving little device here is that if you hit the @ symbol within the chat box, it'll bring up a list of all the participants. So if you want to send a direct tweet to someone participating and follow up on a topic, here I'll follow up with myself, Josh McLaughlin, can you tell me a little more? Question mark. And what that'll do is it'll send a notification to that person, me in this instance, and send them your message that you want to follow up with them. All right, so the chat lasts an hour. They're always 8 to 9 on Tuesdays, typically 7 questions. And then after the chat is complete, if you ever want to go back and review a chat, if you missed something or you just weren't able to participate live, you can watch the video replay in 2 ways. Okay, we'll always add this button, watch the video replay, under the 2015-16 season tab. So you could click here to go see the video replay with Len Forkas, or you could go to the whole archive, and this will have all of our saved chats for this year and last year. If you want to watch a video replay, you just choose the one you want. So let's say I do, in fact, want to see Mr. Forkas' replay. It'll give you some analytics, and then if you go down to the blue button that says View Replay, you hit this. Nice thing about watching the replay on NERF is that you can adjust the speed. So if I want to accelerate the pace of the chat, I can do that. If I want to slow it down, I can do that. And also, let's say something comes up that needs more attention, I can click this button and pause the flow of the conversation entirely until I'm ready to start it up again. Okay, there you have it. Don't forget that you can find all this information at any time at apschats.com. We look forward to conversing with you this year. Please do sign up to suggest topics and questions and moderate. And we will see you soon.